Agent Corbin reporting in.
600 million offloaded.
It's all here with about 300 million of its cousins.
It's your responsibility.
I'm all right at babysitting old money.
We're on lockdown due to the storm.
Come on, man.
Oh boy.
Do it.
This is not good.
No witnesses.
We're about to be crushed by the biggest storm of the century.
Look out!
Let's load up.
This is gonna be harsh!
What?
Here comes the harsh part.
The Hurricane Heist premieres March 30th, only on Fox Movies.